Hello, my name is Simar Campos. This is my lesson plan for level A2, basic 7th grader. Course 9 Bachelor of English as a Foreign Language. The topic is WH question, weighting 10 points. The specific objective is to learn the use and complements of each question that contain the letter WH. WH questions are a group of questions that are characteristic because in their name they have the letter WH at the beginning, except for one of their case. The W questions are what, why, when, where, who, which, and how. That is the case. They have a little that is not the same because not contain the same structure of the word. We can say what is qué o cuál, why, por qué, when, cuándo, where, dónde, who, quién, which, cuál, and how, cómo. And now we say that what, we use what when we don't know or we have unlimited or we don't know the exact number of the things, and we want to ask for personal information or information of any object or animals, and we use which when we know the numbers of the things. Forward we will to see a little examples. This is my examples. For where we use where when we want to know where are the things, where you live, where you put the things, where somebody, and it's normally for locations, for get a location or anything, any person, or what you want to find. And this example I put where does Pepito live? That means in Spanish donde Pepito vive. I had a little mistake here. I put she. I had and it's he. He lived in Miami. En español vive en Miami. When we can use it normally for the time, forget a time. Examples when we ask when's my brother comes, when is Merry Christmas, when is Saturday, when is the concert. I think that we can use this for the time. In this case I put for example, when does Carlos arrive? He arrived at 10:30. En Spanish, ¿cuándo llega Carlos? Llega a las 10:30. Why? Why is the normally question? I don't know. I can say that why is for asking ourselves what happened to things. For example, why my father died, and why my mother cried, why my sister lived, something like that. In this case, we use why for asking and because to give an answer. Why the teacher cries? This is my example. ¿Por qué la profe llora? Because she's sick. Porque ella está enferma. What's your name? What's your name is a personal information. So, for this reason, I use what. We can use what is your favorite color. What is your telephone number. We can say many examples. For this, I use what's your name. That is the simple question and the most used for good example. My name is Jorge. En español es ¿cuál es su nombre? Mi nombre es Jorge. Which movie do you like to watch? As I said before, now we know what we want to do, and we know we can give exactly name, and we know maybe we can see signs with all the movies, and we can give a name, and for this reason we can use a which. ¿Cuál es la película que te gusta ver? I like the cat with bots. Me gusta el gato con botas. And how? In this case, I use how are you? That's all we say when we give a greeting, and it's normally used. How are you? Is ¿cómo está? I'm fine, thanks. Estoy bien. This is my class, my first time in a class, so I hope you can understand. See you next time.